Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Agri-words and Phrases. In this first episode, we are basically going to talk about an abbreviation. What is this abbreviation? If you watched my introductory video, you can guess what it is. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to guess because I told you what I was going to talk about in this first episode. And I know your mind might be wondering and saying, well, what could these three words be? Alright, let me give you an hint. It is used for keeping plants healthy. It is like the pillow. It is the basis from which you develop a good crop and ensure that the crop is healthy. Yes. So without any further ado, this abbreviation that I'm talking about is NPK. What is NPK? I know farmers especially, and us in the agriculture industry, especially pertaining to growing plants, we have stumbled upon this abbreviation numerous times. But what is NPK? Every time you go in the farm store, you go and you look on a fertilizer bag, or you go to buy a fertilizer, you see NPK, or you might see three numbers on the bag, three numbers print in bold. But what is NPK? What are these three numbers? What do they mean? My friend, N stands for nitrogen, P stands for phosphorus, and K stands for potassium. But why are these three words or this abbreviation? Why is it so important that it has to be on fertilizer bags? For example, in Jamaica, you will go to a farm store and you will see the fertilizers, you will see the bags, and you will see these three bold numbers in front of you. What do they mean? Of course, those three numbers would represent NPK. Therefore, 14 would represent 14% nitrogen, 28 would represent 28% phosphorus, and 14 again would represent 14% potassium. However, hold it. The percentages for phosphorus and potassium is not truly representative of the actual phosphorus and potassium that is inside the fertilizer bag. However, I will not be tackling that issue in this video, so please tune in to other videos to find out the true percentage values of both phosphorus and potassium within your fertilizer bag. But why do they use NPK? NPK is used because it is regarded as primary macronutrients. Let me put this into more context for you. Plants require 16 essential nutrients to carry out crop growth and development. These 16 essential nutrients can be further categorized into 4 categories: meganutrients, primary macronutrients, secondary macronutrients, and micronutrients. NPK, which is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, constitutes primary macronutrients. However, don't you want to know why these three nutrients are considered macronutrients or primary macronutrients? It must be a reason why they are considered as that. Being a primary macronutrient is not the only reason why NPK is represented on these fertilizer bags. Of course, there are other underlying factors, but I will discuss that in future videos, so please stay tuned. My friend, anytime you see NPK again, or you see those three numbers on the front of your bags in bold, then you know the N stands for nitrogen, the P stands for phosphorus, and the K stands for potassium. And those three numbers that you see, they also represent nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. right? So that is what it means. Again, thank you for tuning in to this first episode. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Please leave any questions or comments in the comments section, and I'll see you again in another video. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.